Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by to see what I am up to. And today I have my August 2020 Beautyfix by Dermstore. This is, I think, my second box. I think it was my second box. Did I even slip this tape? Yes, I just slipped the tape. I have stuck myself in the fingers opening boxes as of late, and I figured I'm going to slip them before. This is what I see when I open the box. And a little bit about Beautyfix by Dermstore. Discover the best in premium skincare and beauty. $100+ in value for only $24.95 a month. You can do a one-time box purchase for $34.95. I think that's a little expensive. Free shipping. And you get full and deluxe travel sizes. You receive 6+ items. And I like that they send confetti that looks like this instead of all that loose stuff. So we're just going to get rid of that. There's a bag here for trash. And once I remove that, I'll show you what I see. And the first thing is, and I don't think we get a card. Let me just see if there is one. No, I don't think we get a card. So this is from Living Proof. Oh, this is dry shampoo. I'm excited for that. I'm not a huge fan of Living Proof, but might try this. Some of their products are just too heavy for my hair and weigh it down. My hair's heavy enough. I usually have to use lighter products, but I'm excited for that one to try that. Let's see what this next one is from Briogeo, which I love. Don't Despair Repair Strengthening Treatment Oil. So this is a little sample right here. And then this, yeah, so here's the sample. And I love Briogeo. We've gotten samples of that, and I've received full size and love their products. So that will be nice to try. Let's see what we have here from First Aid Beauty. Weightless Liquid Mineral Sun Cream with zinc oxide and what is that, 30 SPF 30. So this is a little sample size. This is fragrance free, dermatologist tested, safe for sensitive skin. And that's always great to have in your bag. You never know when you need it. A brand that I love, that I have used, their neck cream, their mattifying pore, like under makeup, like it's not really a primer, but kind of is. Nail peptides and fortifiers, I just love, and it's Dermalect. And this is the Rapid Repair Facial Moisturizer. Very good. Love Dermalect as a brand. So that's nice to have. Oh, another company that I have recently fallen in love with, and this is Toolless Skincare. And this is Detox in a Jar, Probiotics and Superfoods. And this is Exfoliating Treatment Mask. And that is about up to here. I don't know if you guys can see that with the light, but I've been loving the Toola products that I have. And then this is, I guess, an Allure 2019 award winner, Dr. Loretta Tightening Eye Gel. Okay, let's see what that is. Let's open that box up. Let's see. And this might be a full-size product. I'm not sure. That's what the tube looks like. Apply sparingly in patting motions, 360 degrees around the eye, avoiding lash line. Use AM, PM. Oh, okay. Let's get that back in the box. That, I can't wait to try. And that was an Allure. Oh, of course I can get it back in. Okay. Best of Beauty for Allure 2019. So that's good. And then the last item in the box, yeah, we don't get a card, is a bag from Dermstore. And this looks like a huge makeup bag. So I'm not going to open this just because I don't know if I'll use this, but this is good to pack. You can put unmentionables in here. You could just put almost anything in this bag. If you like to take a lot of stuff with you, flat irons, curling irons, brushes, you could pack things like that in here. You could put a pair of shoes in here. This is really nice. I like that, but I will probably share this in a giveaway. I have so many bags. I just can't possibly use them all. So that is my Beautyfix from Dermstore for this month. Excited to try the Living Proof, the Tightening Eye Gel, absolutely. And then the samples, Briogeo I love, Toola I love, Dermalect I love, and a little tiny sunscreen is great to and then the bag to throw in your handbag. or, you know, beach bag just to have it. So there's all the products. This box is not going to cooperate. So there's everything in my Beautyfix for August 2020. This, like, I think this is my second one. So far, I'm liking this. I don't mind samples, and if it's more skincare-ish samples, I'm all for it. I am a big skincare junkie. Without good skincare and good skin, applying makeup, it's going to still make you feel good and look good, but why not look your best and start getting into a good skincare routine? So I love trying new products to see what works, what doesn't. I had tried a product, and it was I think we got it from Boxy. It's either premium or base, probably premium. I'm not really sure which one. I think it did come in a Boxy, and it was a toner, and it made my face itch so bad. I don't know what was in it to do. A lot of the items that were in it were in other toners, but there were a few that weren't, whether it just didn't agree with my moisturizer, my skin in general, but I itched so bad. I mean, I was just constantly touching. My nose itched, my cheek, just everywhere, itch. I stopped using it, gave my skin a little break, and the itching's gone. So I'm kind of thinking it's that. That's going to have to go, because to itch like that and have an irritant on my skin, I'm not interested. So I'm always excited to try new things, but, you know, some work and some don't. So tell me what you think of this box. So far, I'm enjoying it. Like I said, I love skincare and a way to try new things that I never would have purchased. I mean, I have Dermstore products, but I have never tried this one, and I'm excited. I don't think I have I have a moisturizer, but not, it doesn't look like this. So maybe this is a newer, because this is rapid repair, where my other one is in a pot, so it might, and it's red, so I don't know if they change things up, but I'm going to look into that tool. I absolutely love. So I appreciate all of you watching and stick until the end with me in this video, and I hope everyone's doing well, and I look forward to seeing all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.